Nijmegen. Morning exercise. Wow. Going to the center of the city, Nijmegen. And market in Nijmegen. 1 for 15, 2 for 25. We first. Let's see what they offer to us. It's 7 euros. This is 12, 15, 15 and whatever. Let us see. €5, 10, 12, 15, 15. Today they're having an event, so brought many cheap clothes here.
That's from here, right?
Huh?
From here.
Yeah, yeah.
Building.
Mm-hmm.
How much is that?
5.
5 euros?
Kan du högtalare?
Чашечки различные, какие хочешь. Часть сервиза. Пришли маркет. Restaurants. Table decorated with these pretty flowers. And here's different flowers.
Oh ja. Die had geen onderdak meer.
Runners
Die
boutique.
hadden ineens familie. En ja, wij konden altijd.
Be careful, can be hit by bicycle. Old town and up and down stairs. Now we're going to the ship. Dirty small village, Nijmegen.
It's number 5. It's number 4.
I met another one.
So they made a number.
I met another person.
It's belonged to the whole local German empire for 200 years. And that was enough. Then for a short time, I made
standard slate, and the bill was close to 40 euros. Wow.
If it blew down euros, euro by euro.
Germany is in front of us, and the Netherlands gets over in the middle. Million times planes will go to Germany, delivery. And on that day, 1,200 planes were ready to take off from London and other.
Accept it, or doesn't look too good. Reformation came, so this church has seen different.
These are all burial places for nobility, rich people who buried in that church. Well, just quite a few of them.
You're the chosen one. Is from Rotterdam.
Just like you knew you would. I don't know what you do, but you do it well. I'm on your spell. Got me begging you for mercy. Why don't you leave me? Now you think that
The Grote market has been the pulse of Nijmegen since 13th century. It has gone by many different names. I can't even pronounce them. Handelsborg, Grote Market, Cruise, and etc. The area around Grote Market was heavily damaged during World War II, but fortunately the square's many medieval and Baroque area buildings escaped unscathed and are still in use today. Nijmegen is home to one of the Netherlands' largest universities.
A little rest, get my dessert.
Wise men say, only peace, rushing.
Our next stop in Germany, city Wessel. I will show you interesting excursion with local tour guide. Bye bye now. See you next Saturday.
At the moment we have a lot of reproductions, 100% reproduction.